Hi ladies, welcome back to another flawless tutorial. I'm really excited to share with you a new beauty tool today. It's our flawless Dermaplane Glow. After seeing all your wonderful feedback on our original Dermaplane product, we've added some great new features to make your flawless dermaplaning experience even better. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Here's some backstory if you're new here. Once upon a time, dermaplaning was only available through a dermatologist's office or spa. But today, Flawless has perfected a personal in-home dermaplane tool that's both safe and effective when used correctly. After treatment, you're left with beautiful, fresh complexion and flawless canvas for your skin creams and makeup. So, let's take a look at Flawless Dermaplane Glow. It's beautifully designed. The handle is sleek and it feels very comfortable in your hand. Plus, it's slightly curved so it doesn't brush your face. The exfoliating edge is made out of Japanese stainless steel, and it has a super fine stainless steel guard to help alleviate nicks, cuts, and irritation. The result? A fabulous, effective, and worry-free in-home exfoliation tool. But there's more. Thanks to our Flawless fans' feedback on our original Dermaplane, we've added a really cool new feature to Dermaplane Glow. Flawless Dermaplane Glow features the first ever light pipe to surround a dermaplane blade edge. It lets you see everything crystal clear. And the handle switch is so convenient, it's giving you complete control on or off. But it doesn't stop there. Flawless Dermaplane Glow comes with an edge already installed in its battery-operated handle. It uses one AAA battery that's easily inserted in the end cap of the handle. Finally, you get a tray pack of 6 replacement edges. That's enough to last you up to 6 months. Flawless Dermaplane Glow. Everything you need for in-home dermaplaning. Now, let's get into the rules of dermaplaning. Number 1, never dermaplane if you have acne, open wounds, or irritation. Wait for your skin to fully heal before using a dermaplane tool. Second rule, only dermaplane at night, because your skin will need 8 hours to rest. And by rest, we mean no creams, lotions, or makeup on the skin. Nothing at all, because your pores are easier to clog. So, this part of your beauty routine is perfect to do right before bedtime, every 2 to 4 weeks. Before you start, always wash your face with mild soap and warm water. Pat dry with a clean towel and let your skin dry completely. Dermaplaning is for dry use only, so again, do not put any creams or lotions on your skin. Now for the fun part. Let's learn the exfoliation stroke. For best results, you'll want to use your free hand to hold your skin taut, like this. With your other hand, take your Flawless Dermaplane Glow and hold it in your hand like a pencil, with the edge facing your skin at roughly 45-degree angle, like this. Using short feather-like strokes, work the edge down the cheek, and again with the same short light strokes for your jawline. Do not press the edge into your skin or go over the same area multiple times. Light, gentle strokes will get the job done flawlessly. And for the forehead and upper brow area, you can use the same process. When you're done, eject it and store your handle for your next treatment. Then, hit the pillow and let your face rest while you sleep, without cream, lotion, or anything on your skin. To replace an edge, you'll need to eject the one that's already on the handle first. So, look for the ribbed button located on the handle at the bottom of the edge. Just press the button downward towards you until the head pops off. Now, holding the dermaplane handle at a downward angle, place the nose of the handle into the top replacement head on the tray of edges. Press the handle down and back until you hear the head click fully into place. Lift the handle from the tray and voila! Quick and easy edge replacement for your next Dermaplane Glow use. So let's quickly recap how to dermaplane the right way. 1. Always dermaplane at night before bed and with a fresh dermaplane edge. 2. Start with a clean, dry face without lotions or creams on the skin. 3. Hold your skin taut while treating the area. 4. Always use a small, gentle stroke to remove dead skin cells and vellus hair. 5. Only pass over the treated area once. 6. Do not use any products on your newly exfoliated skin for up to 8 hours. Pro tip, when you wake up, if your skin is tender, splash a skin calming agent like witch hazel on the treated areas. Let your skin dry and then begin your makeup routine. And finally, let's be very clear about what not to do when dermaplaning. 1. Never dermaplane with makeup, creams, or lotions on your skin. 2. Never dermaplane in the morning. Your skin needs 8 hours to rest, makeup and lotion free after treatment. 3. Never push or put pressure on the edge. 4, never slide the edge along the skin in the same direction. It can cut and scrape your face when not used as directed. 5, never go over the treated area twice in the same treatment. 6, never dermaplane more than once a week. And 7, never reuse a dermaplaning edge. And there you have it, Flawless Dermaplane Glow made simple. Thanks so much for watching, and come back for a tutorial refresh whenever you need. We're here for you. And don't forget, you're flawless.